We're going to unbox the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe Printer. This is a printer that supports the HP Plus, which comes with a 2-year warranty as well as a 6 months free trial for toner. So let's open the box and remove its contents. Upon opening the box, we have the reference guide. Now this is the limited warranty information, and this is the toner service, and you can go to www.hpprintplans.com to find out for more information. It comes with one power cord. So let's remove the printer from the box. To remove the printer, first lay the box on the side, and then with the plastic you pull the printer out from the box. Next, let us remove the plastic and the tapes from the printer. This is the Get Started guide or the setup poster. Supposed to pull this. Next, let us load some paper. Push the guides to the sides. Take a stack of plain paper and load it in as shown. Remember to use the paper guides. It's time to install the dust cover. Remove the dust cover from its packaging and load it in as shown. We will now power up the printer. Plug the power cord into the power point at the back of the printer. Turn on the power by pressing on the power button on the printer. You will notice that the LED will be glowing purple, indicating that it is in the setup mode. We will now use our HP Smart app to set up the printer and get it connected to the network. So this is our Android phone. Let's download and install the HP Smart app. Go to Play Store. Do a search for HP Smart. Install the app. Once the app is installed, open the app. From the HP Smart app, tap on Add Your First Printer. Tap on Add Printer. Search for printers. Let's continue. We allow HP Smart to access this device location. It has found our printer. Select that. You will need to connect to our Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Once the Wi-Fi password is entered, select Continue. Our printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Let's continue. Your printer firmware is updating. Let's select Complete Update. After the firmware update, let's tap on Finish Setup. Connected printing services. Let's continue. So this is the HP Plus, where it comes with an additional year of HP warranty and 6 months of free toner. Let's continue. For our HP Plus printer to operate, we need to sign in or create an HP account. Our printer is already connected to the internet, and we use only HP original toner. Let's confirm. So let's create our account. So once you have keyed in your information, select Create Account. You need to check your email for the verification code. Once you have entered the code, select Verify. Getting the most out of your account, select Continue. Welcome to HP Plus. Enjoy your 2 years warranty, and let's redeem our free toner. Select Continue. Redeem 6 months of free toner with HP Plus Print Plans. Let's continue. So let's view the plans. So these are the plans for our toner. We'll select 100 pages per month. Select Plan. Next, we will need to add shipping. Once the shipping information is keyed in, select Save. Next, we will need to add billing to get our 6 months of free toner. Tap on Add Billing. Once you have keyed in the credit card information, select Save. So for checkout, we will be given 1500 pages per month during the free trial. You need to check on this box and confirm. So the toner is on its way. There will be a welcome email sent to our email. Select Continue. So we have loaded paper. Let's continue. We have also installed the tray cover. Let's continue. The setup is complete. Let's print. Tap on Print. So this is a page that has been printed from our HP LaserJet M234dwe Printer. Print from other devices, we'll select Not Right Now. So this is how you unbox, set up, and sign up for the HP Plus print plans to get our free trial of 6 months free toner with the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe Printer.